That's here, Prodigy Performance. We just did turbo install, all stock Jeep. That's got the body armor or whatever, but performance-wise, all stock. 37-inch tires, pretty popular combo. Vehicle has stock gear ratio 373. All right. So I already just put our logo and put the text here so you can see it. So unlike some of the other dyno videos you see where we just see, you know, make a bunch of noise and not show anything, we'll just start off by showing it to you, and then we're going to fire it back up and we'll just run it, and you can see exactly what it does. So where we had stock, right here, the line without the dots comes from the left side, that's horsepower. The other ones with the dots is going to be the torque. Okay, so the vehicle stock, 236 rear wheel horsepower, 233 foot-pounds of torque. So that's what you're making if this is the combo you got, just how it works. Here's a spread. Horsepower, you actually got to rescale the whole thing just to make the graph show up. Look at the torque. The torque's here, and the torque's like, yay. Bye. So, turbocharging, that's what we do. Let me see if I can pull that up right there. So if I pull that, let's go boost. So there's the boost from the roll. And it is, put the cursor back on right here. So when we click it, it'll show us. So right there, 8.4 pounds of boost, right there. And it looks like this green line would be 0 because that's what the stock one made was 0, right? So it looks like we're making boost, looks about, I'd call it 1 pound, 20, whatever, 300, 2400 RPMs, 1 pound of boost. All right, so we'll just play it back, clear the screen, I'll load the stock one back up, let it eat. Plus 152 wheel horsepower through the 37-inch tire. It's a common question. There it is. There's a torque here. See what it did here? Torque. 200. What's that? 214? 213, 214 stock, something like that. Torque. Let's measure this one up here.
Horsepower, torque.
334 foot-pounds of torque. .388, 389 wheel horsepower. Same vehicle, same setup, same dyno, a couple days apart. It's not what the numbers say, it's what the spread is. What I start with, what I end up with. What am I buying? That's what the video is for. Thanks for watching.